Are you looking for a property that's ready to move into? Well, this 2-bedroom that we have here in Low Early could be the one for you. We're going to share 5 things that we love about it. How about we head in and we'll take a look at number 1. One is the size of this kitchen. Just look at the space you've got to play with, to chill out with family and friends, and this kitchen is in really good order. And a bonus, you've got gas to cook with too. The second thing I love about this home is the spacious garden, ideal for kids to let off some steam and to enjoy a barbecue or two. And number 3 is the location. You are in a cul-de-sac, so it's going to be super quiet, and also you've got this fantastic green space as well if you've got children or if you're just looking for that more serene outlook. And number 4, you would have noticed this is a leasehold property, but check this out, only £14 a month for service charge, no ground rent, and you may or may not know there's some new legislation on the horizon. So in likely early 2026, it's going to be more favourable for leaseholders to be able to increase their lease to 990 years. So watch this space and it will sort you out for generations. The 5th thing I love about this home is that Maiden Place is just a 5 to 10 minute walk away. You've got the Sainsbury's local there for your daily essentials, some brilliant coffee shops to relax in, a pharmacy as well, and some great takeaways to enjoy too. So if you like what you see, do get in touch with the team quickly. We can't wait to meet you here. Take care.